Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to walk you through Microsoft 365 Apps Admin Center step by step. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. So guys, in front of you I have opened the main user interface of Microsoft 365 Apps Admin Center, where you can configure policies, configuration, etc. This is the home page. I have linked to go to the policy management directly and offer also like Office customization tool. So let's go through one by one. I go for monthly enterprise. So this is the first link. This is what I have. You have various links. One is like enroll your devices and collect Office information as users, and of course you're gonna enroll the devices, right? So that you can push policies to it. So this is how it works. If you go for device configuration, so we just started this, so it's not yet done, but if you want to create one, create, where you want to deploy 32-bit 64-bit, you come down, which Office suits product, Visio license, etc. Then you can define app, language, installation, update, upgrade. All such things you can configure over there. Policy configuration, because we haven't created, that's why we see, but if you want to create, you can create it from here. Scope, you can also add a group here. You can review the policy and publish it. What's new? Management. New feature appears in what's new. Okay. Apps health, you have links for security, status, update status. It is up configuring. OneDrive sync. It is still preview. Service health, we have inventory, and we have documentation, video, tech community, app release notes, and setup. But it's being configured, so that's why you see this. So that's how simple it is, guys. So I hope you're gonna like this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.